Hi guys, welcome back to my new channel. The name of my new channel is Teach at Home with Miss Lizzy, and in this channel we'll be learning so many nice things. Mommies, are you there? Please come out. Daddies, are you there? Please, can I see you out? Aunties and uncles, are you also there? Please, can you come and stay tuned to these wonderful nice things I'm going to be doing in this my channel. In my channel, I'll be teaching you so many nice things you can teach your children. I'll be teaching you how to write with a pencil and how to hold the pencil correctly. Not only that, I'll be teaching you how to teach your child how to color up, down, up, down, up, down. Not only that, parents, I also will be teaching you the letters of the alphabet and also how to match these letters to objects. Not only that, I'm also going to be teaching you all about numbers, how to write your numbers, and also how to match these numbers to the correct objects. Stay tuned to Teach at Home with Miss Lizzy, because in Teach at Home with Miss Lizzy, you'll be having so much fun and you'll be learning so many nice things to teach your children at home. This is the way we learn at home, learn at home, learn at home. This is the way we learn at home all day long. This is the way we learn at home, learn at home, learn at home. This is the way we learn at home all day long. See you in my next class in Teach at Home with Miss Lizzy. Bye-bye.